guys, what's up? It's Sarah. Welcome to my themes week number 1, color week. Today's color is, you can't really see. Today's color is blue. This is day number 4 out of 5 for this color week. If you've been with me for this journey so far, you already know the problems that we've encountered, such as things not coming out the way that I want them to, my eyes both watering like Niagara Falls. But today I'm hoping we can overcome those obstacles and push on through with our color blue today. If you want to know a little bit more about these themes, make sure you go back and watch my first video on Monday. Or if you want to know the kind of overview about the themes in general, you can go back to my video that says I have an announcement and I explained everything there. So hear me out. I started my eyeshadow. I was going through it. Everything was going well. And then I realized I forgot to tell you the meanings behind blue and what blue meant. When I think of blue, I think of bright blue sky like it is outside right now, but you can't see. The beach, I think water, I think just summer and being outside and happy, things like that. I think of nature. And it seems like when I looked up what blue was about, that seemed to be a common reoccurring theme as well. It has this idea of peace behind it, you know, another kind of thing that goes along with calming. But it also has confidence. So I've been talking about this reoccurring theme of gems and about how people carry around crystals to kind of emit some sort of energy that they need or lack. My color for my birthstone is blue. Specifically, when I looked up the exact, like what it means and like what the actual definition of a blue gemstone is, it's relaxation in crisis, which I felt was really interesting. If you think about it, there are people in your life that you find a calming force, a calming aura. Even if your day is absolutely chaos, when you see that person or when you're with that person or even talk to that person maybe, you feel like your day has just, you found peace in amidst of this crisis, this craziness, this, you know, whirlwind of things happening in your life. We live in such a crazy, fast-paced society that I think it's important to find someone or something that can bring you relaxation in crisis. But I found that really special, and I feel like everybody should learn from the blue gem. Find relaxation in crisis. Blue, 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 blue. Let's do it. All right. As I have in every video that has come before this, I am starting with my base on. I honestly probably shouldn't even tell you what the base is because I'm pretty sure you can guess, but I'm gonna go in with Jeffree Star's Thirsty palette in the shade Parched right here and slap that all over my eyelid. So what I'm going to do is do a dark blue on the top and kind of smoke it out, and then use the bright blue to pop a pop of color underneath my eye. I think we should start with a lighter brown to kind of ease into the dark, and then we'll add as we go. So let's go in with my M513, and I'm gonna go in the Jaclyn Vault Collection with Morphe in the palette Dark Magic. We'll go in with this guy called Shh. Nice cool tone brown. And I'm gonna go in and just pop this as my transition shade. This one, I really don't have like a worry. I feel like I already know what I'm doing and it's gonna come out awesome. I'm excited. All right, transition color is down. I'm not sure how I wanna do this. I know that I wanna use this blue shade called Busted next. I'm just not sure how I want to do it. I'm going to take it on a small brush. I can always build it out. Morphe M506 is what I'm going to venture into right now. And I'm going to grab that Busted shade. I'm going to tuck it into the crease. Wow. You can see how bad it is on camera. All right, tuck this guy in the crease. All right, now I'm gonna move upwards. So I'm gonna put more product on. And I'm gonna start in the outer corner and move up, and I'm gonna start blending this upward towards my brow bone. All right, so I've gotten it kind of in place where I want. I'm gonna go in the M441, and I'm gonna go in with that same shade Busted. Get it on there, and then I'm just gonna blend this guy out pretty much. And just make it a little bit more seen. Okay, I'm feeling it, I'm feeling it. It's gonna take a minute. Oh! Did you just hear that noise that came on? I like the colors so far. I do want to blow this out a little bit more in on the actual lid though. I'm actually gonna change directions a little bit and kind of put a new spin on this. I'm gonna go in with the original Jaclyn and Morphe collab, the original Jaclyn palette. I'm gonna go in with this guy. Bear with me. I'm gonna take it on a small brush. I'm gonna tuck it right into my crease. I just wanna see what happens. I like that a lot better. I'm glad we added that. I think we should go in with a shimmer now and see what happens. How about that? I'm gonna go in with Jeffree's Thirsty palette in the shade Divine. Oh yeah. It's kind of like when you put it next to the blue. I think silver is one of those things where every time you put it next to a color, it almost kind of picks up the sheen or the undertones in the color that you put it around. So for example, you look at the silver when it's in here and it just looks silver, the usual. But you put it next to a blue and it almost looks ice blue now. Does anybody else get that feeling? I do. Okay, so let me dry my eyes real quick before I move on to the bottom. I said I wanted to do a bright color on the bottom, so let's go into the Thirsty palette. And I'm gonna go in with this guy right down here called Submerge. Oh, I'm excited. Is this even gonna go? I don't know. Oh! Oh my. Well, we wanted blue. We got blue. The only thing I want to do is pop something in my waterline. Let's do a dark color. Let's go in with this Drizzle color right here in that same palette. Pop that guy in my bottom waterline. Okay, so this is the look without lashes or mascara or lips. So I think what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna go and do some mascara and lashes off of camera, and then I will come back and we can do some lips and we'll be out of here. We're back. Okay. I just put on some lashes and mascara, and our last step, I think, is just to put on some lips. I don't know, I can't tell. I think we should probably do a nude. Yeah, let's do a nude. Okay, so as I've done in my last 3 videos, I'm gonna go in with my Tarte Maracuja oil. My new favorite nude. Why don't we use that one? I don't even know where it is. This is by Maybelline. It's called Nude Embrace. Found this in Monday's video and I'm never going back, so. We have just finished day 4, people. We're almost there, 1 more day to go. I am so happy with how this series is going, and as of right now, it's Sunday night. That's when I'm filming. I film all of my videos on the same day. I don't know, I'm very excited about the way this is going, and I really love the theme this week. I have not picked out which one I'm gonna do next week yet, but I do have a bunch in mind. Give this video a thumbs up, make sure to subscribe so you can come back and see tomorrow's video. Anyway, thanks for hanging out with me, you guys. I appreciate you very much. Let me know in the comments below what you think, and I will catch you next time.